Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find archived emails in your Gmail account. Archived emails are not deleted. They are simply removed from your inbox, so we can still access them anytime. Now let's go through this step by step and locate your archived messages. On the Gmail dashboard, all emails are displayed. To move an email to the archive, we just click Move and then click Archive. To find archived emails, click More and then click All Mail. Once we select All Mail, we can see the archived emails. We can identify archived emails because they have no inbox label before the subject. If there is no inbox label before the subject, it is an archived email. That's how we find archived emails in Gmail. Archiving keeps our inbox clean while making sure important emails are always easy to find.